Alright guys, we are live. Give me 1 second here. I got a new stream layout, guys. Let me know. I think it looks insane now. I think it looks insane. So this is my starting screen and this is the new layout. I think it's much cleaner than the last one because you can actually see the charts better. We are pumping, guys. I should have closed this. So we had, let me quickly show you. I was on TikTok busy talking, but I should have closed this down here, I guess. But maybe we're still gonna go lower, who knows. We had bullish order flow here. Look at this. We had a lot of aggressive sellers, but we didn't make a new low and then we pumped again. So this would have been a really nice close based on the order flow. Let me see if the chat is here. Hi Sato, Penitence is here. Man, a lot of people, guys. How are you doing? Guys, by the way, yesterday was a crazy day. So anyone that left the long open, it printed like crazy. We actually went almost to an all-time high. So the trade from yesterday played out perfectly if you just held it. And I know a lot of people actually held it, so I also made a lot of profits yesterday. I posted all my profits on the Discord and on X as well. I also took an insane Nasdaq long yesterday with only $100 risk on each account. That was crazy. Guys, how do you like this new layout? I actually made it myself with ChatGPT. I think it's kind of crazy. It looks much cleaner now. There we go. We are live. I should probably also do, let me see if we can do a giveaway first. David hasn't responded, but I think he will give me an account. So I hope he's gonna come online, guys, and give me another account to give away. And I do hope we are gonna lose this value high here. This is so important for the short. We have to actually lose this. I did place my stop loss really a little bit higher here than the VWAP. Yeah, we will see 2 minutes for New York Open. We need a bearish New York Open, guys. We need a bearish New York Open here. We need a real bearish New York Open. This is the last hope for the short. The bulls don't want to stop. The bulls don't want to stop. It's insane. Batched, how you doing? Man, Batched also had an insane day yesterday, guys. So many people made big profits from the long yesterday. This was a crazy long, actually. And we had to be really patient on that one. I mean, we were in drawdown for a long time. And at around 7 PM, the big massive pump happened. So that was a nice live trade, I'm not gonna lie. It was an absolute nice trade. But let's see. I hope you're gonna lose this now. We have 2 minutes left for New York Open. You trade London. I do trade it, yes, but I don't stream it because streaming during London is not that good. The best stream time is always at New York Open. But I posted the short on my Discord for free, Joel, by the way. This exact short has been posted. We already hit 1 hour, but it didn't close. So I was a bit greedy with holding this one, but maybe it's gonna be worth it. Maybe it will be worth it to not have closed it. We will see. Fine, Matt, some barbecue. Man, I'm hungry. I didn't eat. I'm so dumb. I was on TikTok and I didn't eat. Now I'm really hungry. But yeah, I also don't really want to eat on stream because I want to focus on trading. Bodyman HQ, did you take the nice long from yesterday, guys? Did you actually take the nice long with me yesterday? That was such a banger trade, man. Guys, if I would have held this, you don't want to know how much I would have made. I closed it way too early. Also the Nasdaq long. I calculated it yesterday. I would have made $1,900 on each 50k account. And 3 times the amount on a 150k account with the longs from yesterday. So it's absolutely crazy. I should have really held it, but I still... Whoa, okay guys, we might dump. We will see. Maybe we are lucky on this one. Maybe we're gonna be lucky. I'm kind of happy that we're seeing some sellers though at New York Open and not buyers. What is the max account that you can have on FundedNext? It's 5. You can have 5 50k funded accounts. Or also the bigger ones. The max you can have is 5 funded accounts. On Lucid, on FundedNext, the only prop from where you can have more is Apex. We are dumping again, guys. Wait. Love to see it. We got a new follower here. Thank you. I cannot read the name though. Thank you for following. Yeah, for subscribing, I mean. Look on Discord, we had some negative news. Maybe the market will spring on. Man, Batched is always so... he's the guy who always gives me all the news. This is really nice, guys, because I don't really look at news that much. I only trade Orderflow and technical levels. But it is always nice, guys, if you know that news are coming out, let me know. I'm always happy if you tell me all the news. That's cool from you guys. Let me see. US producer price index. So actually this looks a little bit bearish, yeah. Batch just posted the screenshot in Discord if you want to check it out, guys. Nice little dump again. I love it. This is a really nice New York Open. I didn't expect this. I actually thought we were gonna go probably to the break even again. Man, guys, smash the like button. We are making money probably today. I kind of want to hold this. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of not want to fumble the bag again. Yesterday I really fumbled it. I would have made so much more profits. I would have made 4 times more than what I made. So I'm gonna hold this one. I think I'm just gonna hold this. Like, in the worst case, we lose like $50 on each account, which is fine. Alex, you are here. I thought you were gonna take a massage. Is it already finished? Nice to see you. Guys, I did a TikTok stream. We got like 30 live viewers. This was crazy. It was a 30-minute stream. And we had like 30 Swiss people in the stream. It was crazy. The algorithm is finally pushing my streams again on TikTok. So that is really good. 30 follower account. Let's go. And I'm gonna make sure we can do a giveaway, guys. I'm still waiting for David, for the legend. He might give us some accounts. Oh, guys, this order flow is looking kind of bearish now, though. We had so many buyers. Look at this. We had so many buyers now, but the price is going lower. This is actually kind of bearish now. So I'm gonna hold on to this. I am gonna hold the back here. Maybe we're gonna hit an insane trade on stream this time. And yesterday's stream, guys, if you rewatch the stream, for all the people that are confused, yes, I was in a loss on the stream, but the trade played out after the stream. So if you just held it, and I told you all on the stream, you can just hold this trade, and it is an absolute banger. So a lot of you guys made a lot of money from the trade yesterday, which obviously makes me happy. And I also made a lot of money, but I could have made much more. So I closed it way too early. I need to really fix this, guys. I need to really fix... I have this issue where I always close my trades way too early. Like, perfect example was yesterday. I closed them way too early. So this one I'm just gonna hold. We are just gonna hold this back. Like, worst case, we lose a little bit of money. Because my stop loss is really tight. The stop loss was up here before, and here I risked $200. So we are at 1 hour now, by the way. We just hit 1 hour on the short. And now I actually reduced the risk. So I don't want to see us go up here again, actually. Because if we go up here again, the trade is invalidated. I don't even have to place a stop loss here. Because if we go up here again, we're probably going to hit a new all-time high. You need diamond hands. Yeah, that's true, man, Batch. That is actually true. I mean, Batch actually held the trade from yesterday. Right, Batch? You held it until the market close. So you made a ton of money on that one. And the Nivea, I think, also held it, or was it someone else? Norwin passed his account, by the way. Norwin passed his account yesterday with the long. So yeah, the community is doing well, guys. This is what I want with the streams, that you guys make money as well. So yeah, I'm happy. I am happy. This order flow looks so bearish if we go lower now. It's actually looking really bearish. It looks like there is a massive limit. There are massive limit orders here, guys. Aus welchem Kanton kommst du? Sieht sehr schön aus. So there's a Swiss guy, I'm gonna translate it. He asked me which canton I live in Switzerland. It looks really nice. I'm really interested in trading, but I don't know how to start. I'm just gonna watch your videos. So I'm gonna do more videos for beginners, guys, on my YouTube channel. They will be in English, though. The reason I do English content is it's pointless to stream in Swiss German. But I live close to Lucerne, Mycon X. I live close to Lucerne. It is beautiful, though. You are right. The view is absolutely insane. I love the view I have here. So there is a lake right in front of here and big mountains. So I cannot have a better view than this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in love with this view, guys. Apex, we're gonna do a big giveaway. I'm just waiting for David. Guys, yesterday on stream it was so funny. The guy who manages me on Apex, he watched the stream and he gave us 350k accounts to give away instead of one. So yesterday we gave out 450k in funded accounts for free. So yeah, make sure you watch the stream and you join the giveaways. Let me actually load the giveaway right now while we are dumping. We have 16 viewers, not bad. We're probably gonna get more though, the longer I stream. I like this order flow though, man. I really like this order flow. Alright, let's go to the giveaways. Zack, zack, zack. And we are gonna call the word Apex. Wait guys, don't post it yet. You are not in if you post it yet. I'm gonna share the screen here. So the giveaway is live, guys. Type this keyword, !Apex for all the new viewers. We draw these giveaways live on stream. So I cannot control who's gonna win. But I give priority usually to OGs that always watch my stream. Yesterday 2 people won that always watched my stream for weeks. So evils, yes, but we also do funded accounts on FundedNext. But for now we do Apex. Actually, guys, should we do... No, we're gonna do it like this. Tomorrow I'm gonna give away a $15,000 FundedNext account. And today we do Apex, so... Ich verstehe euch mit Englisch, ich komme von Brunnen. Und für euch steht das ja nice, dann wohnen wir recht in der Nähe. Senu. So yeah guys, type this keyword. This is how you join the giveaway. It's completely free. You can get any account size that you want for free on Apex. So you will get 100% off with the code I'm gonna give you. And if David is not gonna respond, it will probably take a little bit longer for me to send you the code. But I did text him. I did just write him a message. Wow, we are dumping, guys. It was good that we didn't close it. So we almost hit 1.5 R now. So we actually almost hit 1.5 R. This is insane. Guys, we are on a good week. It's so funny with trading. Like on Monday, I was so tilted, guys. You could see, you could hear this in my stream, because I had a stop loss. I missed one good trade, but now we are already up big on the week. This is why you really have to just keep your mental. You just should never get, never let your mental affect your trading. That's the most important thing, guys. We are dumping. Oh, this is beautiful. How much are we even up? And the order flow still looks bearish, by the way. So we had the daily open, previous day close here. Love it, love it, love it. First time in bearish New York open. I mean, actually not true. Yesterday we had a bearish New York open as well. But on Monday we had an insanely bullish New York open. We just pumped, like this was crazy. Should we lock in some small gains here? I'm thinking of closing one contract, but the rest we're gonna leave as a runner. What do you think, guys? Should we lock in? Let me see here. Do we have any other order flow levels? We have... Ooh, okay. 7407 is a strong support. Wait! I got my first VIP! Who is this? Chet Meyer Emini? Wow, that is insane. You're the first guy who actually... Thank you so much. Wow. This is the first sub, guys, that actually paid for my channel. This is insane. Thank you so much. I didn't expect that. I've been streaming for 1 month and nobody so far has subscribed. Danke dir, Chatmir. Danke für deine subscription. He's from Switzerland as well. That is, you're the first guy who subbed. That is insane. Thank you. Guys, I think I'm gonna close one contract here. Just one. The other one we're gonna hold. The other one gonna hold strong. But that way I can lock in some profits. Should we do this? This is the question. Should I do this? I think we should, because we are at an Orderflow level. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Let's not be too greedy. We can leave the rest as a runner though. Come on, fill it. I need this to fill here. There it is. Alright, we closed one contract, guys. I took some profits out. And the other one I want to hold much longer, I'm not gonna lie. I actually want to hold this down to here. And here, if we go lower, guys, we are gonna go into long from down here. Man, this is crazy. Thank you so much, by the way. I did not expect to get anyone to subscribe. Yeah. I'm gonna give you a special rank as well, Chatmir, in the Discord. Let me know your Discord name. Dann kannst du mir noch die Discord-Namen schicken. Ich gebe dir noch eine spezielle Rolle, auch noch im Discord dann. Danke dir, ey. Das ist krass, danke. How are you doing? We are doing well, man. We had a really good day yesterday, Yop0, a really great day yesterday. We are in an absolute good short now as well, which hit almost 1.5 R here. I took out some profits, guys, just in case. But the rest we're gonna leave. The rest of the trade, I'm gonna leave as a runner. So yeah. We had some bullish CVD print here as well, but honestly, guys, if you look at the order flow here at the graph, this still looks bearish. Because we actually had a lot of buyers here, as you can see, we had a ton of new buyers. Aggressive buyers here. Wait, let me zoom in. We had a lot of aggressive buyers here, and even on the dump, but we didn't make a new high, so this is actually really bearish. Gucci, please, welcome to the stream. Wait, you retracted your message. Why did you retract your message? You didn't have to do that. I guess we closed this one nice. Yep, Zero, I was actually green yesterday as well, just not on stream. But the trade actually played out yesterday as well. Trade ist nicht mit Autos und Bookmark. Das ist Exo-Charts. Das ist Exo-Charts. Gucci, please. Das ist das gleiche wie Autos eigentlich, einfach für MacBook. Also das ist live Orderflow, für das zahlst du $200. So he asked guys in Swiss German if I don't trade with Autos. And I told him it's basically the same, it's just a different software. So this is Exo-Charts that I use. But Autos is really good as well. Wow, this was a good close so far, guys. We actually closed the one contract perfectly. I'm also gonna play some longs here. I am also gonna play some longs soon. Let's look at the order flow levels here for longs. This is the one I had in mind, guys. 7355. So if we go down here, we would be up big on the sell, and we can look for long at this order flow level. Like really simple. And this is actually the level I've been waiting for the whole week as well. So I'm gonna place one long here right now. I'm gonna place it right at the take profit. With two contracts. One we're gonna close at $200. And the next one, guys, I'm really focused on trading. I'm gonna be more active with the chat in 1 second here. All right, and the next one we're gonna hold to the very high. And I risk $100 for each trade that I place. How's it going? It's going really good, man. We had an absolute good week so far. Yesterday we had an insane long. Today we had a really good short as well. So a great start into the week, guys. And it's only Wednesday. We still have 2 more days left after today to trade. So yeah, I'm actually really happy. And a lot of people in the community also made profits. So I'm really happy, guys. I'm really happy. And we might get a new giveaway today as well. Let's see if he responded. He did respond, guys. David is always on this guy. This guy is hustling. He sent me the code. All right, it is confirmed, guys. We are gonna give away another Apex account. So make sure, guys, make sure again if you're watching. Let me quickly post the tweet as well. I have to post the tweet. If you're watching, guys, now type this giveaway keyword. I just got the confirmation we're gonna give away another 150k Apex account today on the stream. There are 13 people in the stream right now, or in the giveaway. So the only thing you have to do is type this keyword, keep watching. We will draw the winner live with this tool. And if you're not watching, really important, guys, if you're not watching when I draw it, we will redraw. So you have to keep watching, really simple. These are the only rules. And I'm gonna do a quick X tweet to boost the algorithm of the stream. Let me do a quick X tweet here. Yeah, you can still see the order flow good. Let me see. Let me see what should I tweet? What should I actually tweet? Should I just copy the last tweet? Should I be lazy and do that, guys? What do you think? Or should I write a new one with ChatGPT? Lucid trading payout on another one. Wait, I think I'm just gonna copy this one. Let me see which one performed decent. I think I'm gonna copy this one here. Oh, where is it? Am I blind? Oh, here it is. I got it. Now I'm gonna use ChatGPT to write out the previous tweet that I wrote. Write me tweet out. Alright guys, we're gonna do a big giveaway again today. Man, we are giving out so much. I gave out like... Guys, I think I gave out like 4 or 5 million right now on funded accounts. And I've only streamed for 1 month. I mean, how... like 2 months. How crazy is this, guys? We are giving out so much here. And a lot of people won accounts as well. You can see all the winners on my Discord as well, guys. You will get a special role in the Discord if you win. You will also get a special role. Let me copy this. Oh, I need to change the logo. No, wait, I actually have to change this. Else he's gonna get... What is going on? Guys, how many people are subbing here? Espenondersen 6166. Thank you, man. 2 subs today. We have to do a sub giveaway in the future, guys. Only for subs. Since we have already 2 now. This is crazy. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Wow, 2 subs today. The stream is going crazy today, guys. I mean, we have 20 viewers. Absolutely crazy, man. Guys, you are amazing if you leave a sub. Thank you. But even if you're just watching, you don't have to sub, guys. But obviously, this also helps my stream. That is so kind from you. Let me quickly check. Guys, I'm a little bit focused on the tweet. Give me 1 second and I will be back. I don't even know how the trade is going. I'm actually not even looking at the chart right now. Guys, thank you to Espo. It's such a difficult name. Where are you from, by the way? Where are you guys from? Let me know. Are these all Swiss people that are subbing? That would be funny. Where is it? I need to find the logo. Here it is. Alright, I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. There we go. Copy this picture. This is crazy. 2 subs already. Good morning. Good morning, Fair. What have I missed? I mean, we are in banger short. We took a really nice long yesterday as well on stream. So everyone that has been watching this week, guys, I think you should be in green. I think all of you should be in green. I don't know if you're in red. I'm not sure. You probably risk too much or close the trades badly. But everyone that has been watching the streams, guys, you should be in green. Let me do this here. Alright, I'm almost done, guys. I think this is it. Alright, I'm posting this now. And now I also post a link to the stream. 25 people watching. What is going on in the stream, man? Alright, guys, I'm almost done. 1 more second. Live here. Let me post the link. Live here now. Alright, I am done. Alright, let's look at the trade. What is going on? What? Wait, we just dumped even more. Alright guys, the trade officially hit 2R. I posted this for free in my Discord before it got filled. So if you're not in this trade, guys, the reason why I have been in this trade already is because at midnight I posted this trade. Let me show you quickly. I'm gonna show it to you quickly on Discord. I posted this exact trade on my Discord, guys, so make sure it's completely free. I don't sell anything in the Discord, so you can join for free. It is all free what I do, guys. And I'm gonna show it to you right now so you can see it where I posted this trade, so you're not gonna miss the other one if you are new to the stream. Let me go over here. This is the Discord, guys, and I did post the trade in the trading chat. So I also posted the screenshot of the trade here on the trading recaps. And here you can see the recaps from yesterday as well. The long that we took yesterday, all the recaps. This was the profit from yesterday, by the way, from the longs. I had some loss, recovered the loss here. So I made 5k yesterday. I would have made 20k, guys, if I held the trade. So I did fumble this back, but 5k is more than enough. So yeah, I'm still happy. And I recovered all the losses from Monday with this single trade from yesterday. And this was the short, guys. Look at this. I posted this at midnight, right after midnight. I will set 1 short at 743.875. Don't gamble on shorts though, remember. I even posted the stop loss. Stop loss at 745.875. So I posted this under the trading chat. I will probably make a new section for my trades that I usually place. I'm not gonna post every single trade, guys, because I need to be careful. I don't want to get banned on my prop firms, but I will often post my signals. Well, not signals, my trades. I shouldn't call them signals. But yeah, this was posted right here in the Discord, guys. And we are 2 up. You can see this is the exact trade that I have opened. The only thing that I did, this was the first entry, guys. This was the entry here, and this was the original stop loss. So we were in a drawdown. We actually did retest the previous all-time high to the dollar on ES. I entered here, so we didn't have the perfect entry, but we didn't get stopped out. And then after we lost the very high here, I decided to reduce the risk even more. So I put my stop loss right here. I closed one contract already, so I locked in some profits. And the rest we're just gonna leave as a runner. So this is the plan for today, guys. And as I said, whole trade was posted for free, guys. This exact setup I took was posted for free. This is really important. Let me see the order flow and let me see the chat now. Damn, Trump do Trump things. What did he do again? The algorithms are starting to love you. They are starting to push the stream a bit. I noticed that, which is good. We need to get bigger, guys. The bigger we get, the more giveaways I'm gonna do. As simple as that. So I'm gonna give a lot back to you guys. We gave away like 4 million in funding already for free. Like, this is crazy. Sato, I have a question. Yeah, you can ask me any questions now. I'm gonna read the chat now, guys. I had to do some stuff here quickly. Who is still in the short, guys? Who is still in the short? What a beautiful short, man. It's absolutely crazy, the trade. I kind of didn't expect such a bearish New York Open, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but it is nice. Aber du lebst schon vom Trading. I do this full time. Yes, guys, I do it full time. I don't work. I mean, you can see I stream every day. In Switzerland, all the people are working at this time. Like, like everyone in Switzerland is working at this time when I stream. It's 3 PM now, it's 4 PM. And I've streamed already 2 months, so you should probably know that I do this full time. Like, there's no way I have a job if I stream that much. What else was the question? From Ghana. And guys, Gucci, please, I also don't sell anything. Like, I know a lot of there are a lot of gurus in the trading space in Switzerland. They sell you stuff, they sell you courses, they sell you signal groups, and all of these people are not profitable. That's the crazy thing. And I also don't live trade. Like, I do trade live, guys. I take most of my trades actually live. So yeah, and I don't even sell anything, so yeah. I think that should explain it. Zum Glück habe ich auch das Privileg. Nice, sehr nice. You are from Ghana. We have some people from different countries in here. So you are from Ghana, actually. That is interesting. A lot of traders from that region. That's really interesting. It makes sense, though, that there are so many traders from there. Because you don't have a good base salary, so trading is really lucrative. Like, if you make it in trading, you can earn much more with any other job that you can have there. So, kannst du ein Live-Coaching empfehlen, weil es 1:1 einem alles beibringt? Also, man findet, sind vielfach Workshops mit Videos. Also, du denkst von ein Live, meinst du von mir ein Live-Coaching oder von jemandem anders? Am besten ist, wenn du einfach auf dich selber konzentrierst und deine Edge findest. Ja, das mache ich auch aktuell so. Also das mache ich schon seit 2 Monaten oder 3 Monaten. Es gibt halt in der Schweiz auch viele, die Sachen verkaufen. Ich bekomme viel Werbung von Gurus, also von Leuten, die... Ich wollte jetzt keinen Namen sagen von diesen Leuten, weil ich will nicht Hate verteilen. But there are a lot of guys, I'm gonna talk English now again, there are a lot of Swiss people as well now that started like 5 to 6 months ago selling stuff, like, and most of these guys are not profitable. Like, I see their ads on Instagram all the time and it's just crazy. Like, it's so obvious that they're not profitable. None of them actually trades live as well. Like, none of these people trade live. They just want to sell you mentorship, they want to sell you a course, they want to sell you signals. It's just crazy. Please use English. I'm gonna use English, guys. I'm gonna use English. I'm gonna translate all the Swiss German questions to English. And on my TikTok, we are gonna stay... on TikTok, I'm only gonna stream in Swiss German, guys. There are some good mentors but you don't find them in TikTok Reels. Probably maybe there are some, but I do also know some mentors that have a track record, but they don't make a lot of percentage a year. And I'm almost sure, like I'm 99% sure that they make more money with their mentorships than with their trading. So you gotta be careful, guys. You gotta be careful with all the mentors, and especially people selling courses and signals and stuff like this. There are so many scammers. It's just crazy. There's so many scammers out there. It's kind of crazy. Are you every day online? Yes, I trade almost every day. I trade New York Open almost every day, and I will be more live on TikTok as well from now on again. So the goal is to stream in English on YouTube only. So my YouTube streams will only be in English. On TikTok, I'm gonna stream in Swiss German. Man, I cannot talk. I have Hixie. I have the Earth. Wait. So someone just wrote. Moisina wrote that it's the first time that she traded. Oh, and the first time on a funded account. She's already 1k in profit, and now she needs 2k more. That's really good, man, for the first account. Why don't you trade Nasdaq? I do trade Nasdaq, but right now I want to trade ES. I did actually take a Nasdaq long yesterday. I'm gonna show you the long that I took. I was in a long, guys. I also posted this on Discord. I was in a long from right here. But I closed the long here, so I could have held this much longer, but yeah, I still made a lot of profits. Yesterday I should have held all my longs much longer. TikTok is banned. Yeah, you don't have to watch my TikTok streams. I will mainly focus on YouTube. The only reason why I do TikTok streams, because I know a lot of Swiss people are also watching my stream, and I want to do some Swiss German streams, so you wouldn't understand anything anyways. Yes, a really good day. We had a really good week so far. Kaito, we had a really, really good week so far. We were in a long from here yesterday, and a lot of people, for example, Batch took this long. We were in a long from here, guys, yesterday on stream, 7378. Then we were in a drawdown, but at 7 p.m. there was a massive pump. And look at this anchor VWAP. It was holding the price to the exact dollar. This is also why I didn't close the trade, but the stop loss was anyways much lower around here. And then we just pumped. So we just went up. So you could have just held this trade until 10 p.m. where the market closed. So this was 10 p.m. right here. And we were in from here. So we had a really good trade yesterday. And today I only took a short and we are all in profit. So yeah, really, really good week so far. On Monday I took a small loss, but it was only a small loss. And I already recovered all the losses from Monday with the trade from yesterday. So yeah, I'm completely happy, guys. This week could be really crazy if we keep going like this. And it's gonna be really hard to lose money as well, like after yesterday and after today. I would have to lose a lot of trades in a row to lose money now in this week. Torben Platzer has some videos for this topic. Many traders do mostly profits from mentorships and stuff. Interesting to see if you want. So Sina wrote that most of the losses she made were from shorts. S&P is still too risky for her. That is, I'm not gonna lie, like shorting is really dangerous, but as you can see, we are in a short now and it played out. You just have to really only take the best setups when it comes to shorts. But yeah, I totally agree. S&P has been in an insane uptrend. Like I've never seen S&P that bullish. Like we didn't see any big corrections. Like even now, this was a decent correction, but also not a really, really big one. But yeah, you gotta be careful with shorts. I've been saying this for weeks, guys. The main high time frame uptrend is still bullish. We are still in an absolute bull market as long as we don't lose any key levels. So if you look at the daily time frame here, I'm gonna show you this quickly. So this was the previous all-time high, guys, and this was the low. I actually longed the low here. This was also an Orderflow level. Wait, you cannot see it here. This was also an Orderflow level, guys. But I obviously cannot hold this trade that long on my futures account. Sadly, that would be crazy. But yeah, then we broke this all-time high and we just gone up. We've gone up 400 points already from the previous all-time high. So this is insanely bullish. There will be a correction coming though. There will be one coming. And this is why I also take shorts, but only at the best levels. And only with a small risk. I never risk a lot on my shorts, never. Like we risk $200 here for this trade on each 50k account. Like small risk, really small risk. Just never gamble on the shorts, guys. This is really important. In uptrend, if you're trading against the trend, which we are trading against the high time frame trend, you should never risk a lot and only take the best shorts. For example, all the people that tried to short here or here or here, they all got destroyed. So you have to be really careful and wait only for the high time frame levels to actually short. This is how you should do it if you want to look for shorts. But yeah, the best thing is to look for longs mainly. What did you say? First time here, and I will be here the next times. Hoffe, du bist mit Streaming auch erfolgreich. Yeah, I hope we're gonna get more viewers, but so far I'm really happy. So my stats from streaming are actually really crazy. Like most of the people watch my stream for at least 20 minutes on average, which is kind of crazy. So I think we are gonna grow, it's just gonna take some time, and I do a lot of giveaways, guys. So let me see how many people are in the giveaway. Let's have a peek here. We are giving out an 150k Apex account, guys. We are giving out an 150k Apex account. Wow, that is cool. Look at this, guys. I can now see the member actually. So this is the guy that's subbed here. So in the future, if we get some more members, I might do some giveaways only to members. But right now we're gonna stick to how it is. Bonus for members. Here I could select only paid subscribers can participate, but I'm not going to do this now. In the future we might do some giveaways only for the guys that are member, just because they support me more. But yeah, now anyone can win, guys. Make sure you type this keyword here. Make sure you type this keyword and you are in, and just keep watching. We will draw the winner at the end of the stream today. We might do a longer stream today, guys. We might do a longer stream. Seit wann hast du trading since when did you start trading? I think I'm too late, while I just got 18. And I'm just starting. You are not too late with 18. You are definitely not too late, Sina. 18 is actually a really good time to start. It's actually the best time you can start, because you cannot trade on funded accounts before you're 18 anyways. So this is 18 is not too late at all. There's actually no age, I would say. There are people that started trading when they were like 40 years old and they got profitable. It is possible. It just depends on yourself. Like trading is you against you. So everyone will, for some people it takes longer. I had some cases in my Discord. Like the most crazy case I had in my Discord was a guy. He was kind of young. I think he was around 20 years old. And he started trading, guys. It took him 2 months only. I've never seen this. This is like a rare case, and you shouldn't think that it's gonna go that quickly for you. But he got a 30k payout on FTMO after 2 months of trading, which is kind of crazy. Like I've never seen someone that gets such a big payout within such a short time. So yeah, it really depends. But most of the time it takes like 2 or 3 years, I would say, even up to 5 years. This is what you should expect. But it is possible it's gonna go faster for you. It really depends, guys. It's the same with the gym. Some people make progress faster. For some people, it's gonna take longer. It's simple as that. It also depends on how much time you're gonna put into it. So yeah, this is a good question though. We are going up, and guys, look at this. We actually hit the previous week close to the dollar, and we hit the previous day VWAP to the exact dollar. So that is kind of interesting. That is actually kind of interesting, how respected these levels are. And we also, guys, we also hit this Orderflow level, which I showed you before. It wasn't the exact low, but yeah. Really respected these levels. Orderflow is just so respected. I mean, this was the exact low here. The previous week close and the previous day VWAP was the exact low. But the Orderflow still looks bearish. I'm still gonna hold my trade. 7420, when it breaks there, I would go out. 7420. I'm gonna wait for the daily VWAP. So if it goes above the daily VWAP, I might go out, but I already took some profits, guys. I already locked in some profits. So maybe I'm just gonna hold this. I mean, yeah, maybe I'm just gonna hold this. In the worst case, we're gonna go back to the entry. But we will see. I'm gonna look at the order flow now with you guys and see what's gonna happen here. Like the previous day point of control is still a strong resistance and the daily VWAP. Let's see if we have any other resistance order flow levels. No levels here. No levels to the upside actually on this template here. We took at all the levels. And what do we have here on the TPO? Wow, okay guys, look at this. 7438, this is our entry, it's a really strong resistance level now. This is a time point of control. So this is actually a strong resistance level where our entry is. Look at Nasdaq, 1 minute chart. Let's have a look at Nasdaq quickly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq, 1 minute. Wait, do you actually look at the 1 minute chart? This is the 1 minute chart. Let's look at 30 minutes first. I mean, also a strong correction because ES also dropped. But it's funny, Nasdaq is a little bit stronger today than ES. So Nasdaq is a bit stronger. Yeah, let's see guys. So far still a really good trade. Maybe some of you actually fully closed it. We will see what's gonna happen. What still looks bearish though is that I'm seeing you can see a lot of new buyers here on the order flow. You can see here, we had a lot of new buyers, but the price isn't going up that much. So it could be that we see another low. It's actually still possible, and we're still below the daily VWAP. So as long as you actually don't reclaim the daily VWAP, we can still go lower. So I always look at the VWAP, that's really important. It's really respected for the daily trend. I started with 50k funded. Oh wait, what to say? I bought a 50k funded. She's at 51k after 9 days. Just make sure, see now one really important thing. Now that you made 1k in profits, do not increase your risk at all. You have to have a really strict risk management. So the best thing you can do is you don't need to risk a lot to make 2k profits on a 50k account. I passed these accounts with 2 micro contracts in 2 weeks, the last time I was in an evaluation. So you don't need to risk a lot of contracts. This is one of the biggest mistakes a lot of people do. They buy these 50k accounts, then they go into the trades with a lot of contracts, but it's really pointless because then you can also blow them much quicker. So I actually almost always risk 2 contracts only. I risk 2 micro contracts, guys. How many people are in the giveaway? Trading CFDs is so annoying. Yeah, CFDs is not as good as futures in my opinion, for day trading at least. Red for the day. You are red for the day, Fantasy Cricket. Nice to see you back, by the way. So how many people are in the giveaway? Only 21 people. Is this real? Guys, do we only have 21 people in the giveaway right now? Are there not more people that want to win these accounts? But I compared to ES futures. Yeah, this is the thing, Joel, there's a price difference between the CFD pair and the futures pair. And the futures pair is much more respected, and also there's a much more volume. And you have access to order flow. Like on CFD pairs, you do not have access to order flow. And it's also not regulated. Futures are fully regulated. This is why I love to day trade futures and not CFDs. Like CFDs are good for swing trading, yes, but futures are just regulated and you have order flow. So yeah, it's much better. In my opinion at least. It's my opinion, but yeah. I only do 1 contract most of the time. That's good. And you also use micro contracts, you know, right? You do use micro contracts. Make sure you're using micro contracts. Because if you only do 1 contract, and how many trades do you do a day? So, you know, how many trades do you usually take a day? Kannst du nochmal sagen, wie man das Gewinnspiel kommt? Good question from... Übrigens, danke für den Sub, ich hatte dich gar nicht gesehen. Danke dir. Du kannst so ins Gewinnspiel kommen, du musst einfach das Keyword hier in den Chat schreiben. So for all the Swiss people or all the people, you have to type this keyword into the chat, guys. And then you will see your name here. So these are all the people in the giveaway. You can see the name here. These are all the people that are in the giveaway. Wait, where's Alex? Why is Alex in the giveaway? Oh, I guess he has his massage. Oh, there he is. He is actually. So you have to type this in the chat here. I'm gonna type it into the chat. Okay, I typed it into the chat here. I will check to Pilgrim Zurich. I will check if you're in the giveaway once you type the word. But you have to type this exact word. Yeah, now you should be in. I'm gonna check. Give me 1 second. Let's go to 5-minute short here. Oh, we had a perfect close, guys, on the first one. Well, not perfect, but it was a good close. Alright, let's see. There it is. Let me see if you're in. Yes, you are in here. And guys, we already have 2 members that are in the giveaway. I hope one of these members is gonna win. We are in the future, guys. We're gonna do some giveaways, not all of them, but we're gonna do some giveaways only for the members. So they will have a really big chance of winning, because right now we only have a few members. But this one we will leave open for all. I will do that though. That's a really cool idea, because you can see I can select this here. I can do a bonus for subscribers on the giveaway. I can do it only paid subscribers can participate. This would be the members. And spin duration and the reward claim period. And this is how we're gonna draw it. So if I press here on the button, guys, there will be a wheel spinning with all the people in the giveaway. And yeah, it's all random. So everyone has the same chance of winning right now. But in the future we can do some only for the paid members as well. But for that I need a little bit more of them, I guess. So at least like 5 would be cool. But yeah, I will always do free ones as well, guys. Don't worry, I will always do free ones. You're not forced to pay me. There will always be free giveaways for everyone. But we will occasionally do some for paid members as well. Because that would be cool for them, I guess. So how many are in the giveaway? Let's check again. There are actually... So make sure you see your name here, guys. If you don't see your name, you didn't type the word properly. There are 26 people, 27 actually now, 27 people in the giveaway. And another thing, guys, we will draw it live. And if you're not here, you have 30 seconds to claim the reward. So if you're not watching, even though if you win, you will not get it, because then I will redraw the winner. This is what I do to avoid all the bots, because there are a lot of bots that try to join this giveaway as well. I'm kind of thinking, guys, what we should do here. Should we keep holding? Should we keep holding this? I actually want to keep holding it a bit. Because now we made a new high. Look at this. We made a new high. We made a higher high than here on CVD. So we had more aggressive buyers. We had more new buyers than sellers. But the price didn't make a new high. So that is actually still looking bearish. That doesn't mean it's a 100% guarantee that we're not gonna go higher. Because if these aggressive buyers are not stopping and keep buying, we're still gonna go higher. But if we make a new low, that would be really bearish. So if we actually go lower from here, that would be really bearish. Then we can actually go much lower. I think I might just hold this. I think maybe I'm just gonna hold this here. And see where it goes. I mean, we already locked in. How much profits did we lock in? I already locked in 3k profits, guys. I already locked in $3,000 with one contract, so this is nice. Lots of love from India. Your giveaway is a life changer. We had a lot of Indian people that won as well, by the way, guys. So no matter which country you are from, anyone can win here. But we also had a lot of people that always watch the stream that won. So if you're always in the stream, there's a really high chance you're gonna win. And one thing, guys, if I don't know your name, we're gonna do a little background check. Because I don't want people that come here only for the giveaway to win. So if you have a new YouTube channel and your X account or your Discord account, it's gonna look strange. We maybe are gonna reroll it. Because the goal of this giveaway is to give back to the people that actually watch my stream all the time. And I hope you guys can understand this. It would be also unfair if there are people that watch me every day and they're not gonna win these accounts. Only the people that come from X to win the giveaway are gonna win. That would be really unfair. So I hope that makes sense. I do hope that makes sense, guys. It's crazy. I guess we should have locked in more profits here or fully closed so far, but who knows? Maybe we're still gonna go lower. The order flow, we have so many new buyers though. Since we retested 7,400, there have been really a strong amount of new buyers, and there were also bullish CVD prints at the low here. Look at this bullish CVD print here, guys. So yeah. W trade, yeah, what a great day so far, not gonna lie. And if you're lucky, we're still gonna go lower. If we are lucky, we are still gonna go lower. I mean, even in the end, if there is bearish order flow, there's no 100% guarantee, but often, yeah, it is right. We did have some bullish CVD here though. Bullish CVD prints at the low. I do 1 to 2 trades a day. I mean, this is perfect, Sina. It looks like you have a really good risk management, and you actually trade similar to me as well. I usually take 1 to 3 trades a day. Batched, what do you think, Batched? Are you out of the trade? Did you take all the profits already without saying anything? Or are you still in the short? Flip, he said flip. Are you still in the short, Batched? Yesterday, guys, Batched took the long that I called on the stream, and he was one of the guys who didn't close it early. He actually held it, and this would have been the way to go. So I closed it earlier than him. So he actually had real diamond hands and just held the trade, which was the right way and right thing to do yesterday. So yeah. You should always follow your own plan, guys. If you want to hold it, if you want to close it early, you can do whatever you want. Like, I don't mind. You don't have to follow my strategy. And whenever I close it... Wait, Batch, did you close it though? Alex is back. How is your massage, Alex? How is your massage? Thank you guys for the support. How is the massage, Alex? And how do you guys like the new overlay? I think it looks so insane. I love this overlay. It looks much more professional. I'll be off in your stream from now on to do more profits, hopefully. Yeah, it would be nice to see you again, Sina. Nice to see you, though. Where is David? Where is David, bro? Waiting on him. David actually texted me, this guy. Wait, let me see. Let me see. Make sure I don't leak the code. Because then he would actually get really mad if I leaked that code on accident on stream. Yeah, he sent me the code, guys. The giveaway is ready. The giveaway is actually ready. So we're gonna give away 150k account. Hopefully Alex is gonna win. It would be insane if Alex can finally win a giveaway. I'm still waiting for that day. But guys, once I get more accounts, I'm just gonna give one to Alex. Like, once we get bigger, if he doesn't win soon, I'm just gonna give him one. Because this guy watches every stream and is also a moderator in here, so... Good morning, Lilash Borkar. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Still in. So Batched is still in, guys. We have his lock on our side. We have his lock on our side. I mean, I kind of like this order flow. W, Alex. Yeah, Alex is... How was your massage, Alex? Are you feeling better? Oh, wait, you actually wrote already. It was hard, but feel better now. It was a strong massage. Oh, I want to be in another country now as well. Nice weather would be cool. But it is getting better in Switzerland. It's really cold again though. You can see there is some snow on the mountains again. Hey Sato, how are you? Am I too late? No, the giveaway is still ongoing. We're gonna maybe stream a little bit longer today, guys. Any opinions on gold? Let me look at gold for this guy. Let me have a quick peek on gold. What is gold doing? I'm gonna go on high time frame. It's still holding this anchored VWAP here. But honestly, guys, I don't know. We're still in this downtrend. We're still making lower highs now. So it really depends. If we break this downtrend here on gold, I do expect that we can go much higher. But I'm personally looking for swing trades from lower, guys. I would like to see lower. Then I'm going to load up on a lot of gold longs. I'm not going to lie. So if we go lower to these weekly levels, I am going to load up, guys, on big gold longs. But right now we're in the middle of this range, and I don't really like to trade the middle of the range. You can see we are exactly in the middle of this whole range. And if you enter here now a swing trade, yeah, I don't know, it's difficult to do a swing trade right here, with my strategy at least. because I wouldn't have a really good stop loss. I wouldn't have a really safe stop loss. So I want to see lower of the range or higher for maybe a short, but I don't really like to short gold. Actually, I rarely short gold, guys, because gold is really, really bullish. 25 viewers, but only 16 likes. Come on, guys. Where are the likes? Where are the likes? We are also in a really good trade, so we should get some more viewers maybe today. Who knows, but 25 is still good, guys. I'm happy with this. We're gonna get more viewers soon, I think. Maybe also if I start to show my face one day, we will also get more viewers, maybe, I don't know. But actually it's not true, there are big streamers that also don't show the face. So it is not really required. I think if we just do good trades, we will grow. We will grow by itself. We set up our pool at the terrace, come visit Cyprus. Man, you guys are all in warm countries. You are all in really warm countries. What is this sell here? We just had a massive sell. We just had a really big sell here. And another one. So we're fighting against the daily VWAP here. This will be interesting, guys. How to read your indicator with a strategy on the chart? Well, that's a difficult question. It's not really an indicator, you know. But I often call it out, so I do tell you when there's bearish order flow and there's bullish order flow on the Y. For example, what you can see here, we had bullish CVD prints, and this so far was the exact low. But yeah, I didn't close here, because if you look at the graph here, it actually still looks bearish. And why? Look at the high. If you look at the high here, and at this price, you can see we made a new high on the CVD, but the price didn't make a new high. So it looks like there are still a lot of limit sells. I just hope that I can keep up. Because if you see more and more buyers, and yeah, they're not going to be able to keep up, then we can still go higher. What are these buyers? This is crazy, the amount of buyers here. I'm still holding the trade, guys. We have a really good entry. I'm still gonna hold this. So to upload your motor shorts on YouTube Shorts, visuals are super. Might do that again. Have some more time. That's actually, yeah, I might come back there. Do you live stream every day? Almost every day, yes. Almost every day. At New York Open, all at the same time. What are these buyers here? Like, it's crazy. They are not stopping, guys. We had 1.7k positive deltas. We had 1.8k more buyers than sellers on this candle. And the CVD is just pushing here. Look at the CVD just going up. But we still didn't make a new high. So I don't know what's going on here. It still looks actually bearish. I don't know. We flipped from Trump news. I think we go back to low soon. Let's hope, Etched. I would love to see a new low. I like those on Insta. Yeah, I might bring them back. We'll see. I might also do some like car videos and stuff like this on YouTube here. And talk a little bit about trading and stuff like this. I have some stuff planned. But for now, we only gonna stick to trading. What are these buyers? Guys, are there any news that came out? Wait, this is crazy. One micro left. Will get my loss back from yesterday, but not forcing the trades. What is your win rate? It really depends on the month. It does fluctuate a little bit. It really depends on the month, actually. But I do have a win rate over 50%. Listen, this is what I always say on my TikTok stream as well. Like, the win rate always depends on the risk reward you take on each trade. So if you have a higher risk reward, if you always take 5 risk reward trades, you will have a chart is frozen, really? Let me check. Let me reload this. Is it better now? So if you always take, let me show you. If you always take trades like these, you will automatically have a lower win rate than someone that always takes trades with 1 hour. So win rate doesn't matter, guys. I know a lot of people always look at the win rate, but it actually doesn't matter at all. There can be people with a low win rate outperforming people with a high win rate. So I've been saying this a lot of time on my stream. I know a lot of people think that the win rate is the most important thing, but it's really not true in trading. It doesn't matter at all. I mean, obviously you should have a decent win rate according to the risk reward you take, but you should always look at the risk reward and the win rate together. Now back. Thank you, Batched. I didn't see that. It was frozen. Strange, guys. So we actually went back to the previous day value high. I hope we can actually stay below this, because we're getting close to the entry now again. The bulls are not giving up here. We are also at the value high. This is why it's good that we locked in some profits, guys. This is how, yeah, this is why it's important to always lock in some profits. So how do you handle big profits? Yeah, honestly, let's go, baby. I noticed this, I told you this before. I need to, what I started to do is I started to dividing my trades. So instead of opening one trade with 2 contracts, I opened 2 separate trades, because then I can close out one early and leave the other one running. And I actually always open 2 contracts by itself. And this was really bad, because then I usually close my trades way too early. So yeah, this is one thing I can really recommend you to do, because if you do that, you're gonna just hold the trades much longer automatically. Because when you take some profits, you don't have any urge to close the trade early. So yeah, that's what I do. How high is your host on Hebel? I don't use any leverage, guys. These trades are all without leverage, but you can adjust the risk you take by increasing the contract. So let me show you here. On this long I have open. Here you can see the stop loss. This is what I would lose if with one contract, and I have 2 open, so I would lose $200 on each 50k account. But if I want to trade with more risk, I can just up this to 3, and look at this now. Now I risk $300. I could even open 10, but that's gambling, of course. I would never do this. That would be gambling if I would open 10 with my strategy. So what I always do is open 1 most of the time. If I want to risk more, I just place more orders. But I usually most of the time use 2 contracts. Same with this trade. Yeah, that's how I do it. But there is no leverage. It's basic contracts. And if you want to risk more, you can just increase the contract size. That's how it works. On funded accounts, at least. On crypto there is leverage. So on crypto you can use leverage. But yeah, so let's see what is happening here. Oh guys, if we go lower now, we're gonna see a big long squeeze though, if we actually go lower. But for that we need to put in a new low. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, if we put in a new low, then we're gonna go down a lot, because there were a ton of new buyers here. Like a ton of new buyers. You can see that at the CVD graph. And also here at the delta, we had so many new buyers. So if we actually make a new low, that would be really bearish. Then we can probably go to my long entry from lower. But we need these buyers to stop, guys. We need some new sellers now to step in here. The previous day value high, that would be nice. Partial profits is good for new beginners to pass profit from accounts. Yeah, it is. I can highly recommend it. Because you can always leave a runner. This is exactly how I did it with this trade. I already closed one here, and I still have one open. And this is actually with 0 risk. I'm gonna leave the stop loss where it is. This is actually with almost 0 risk. We're only gonna lose a little amount if we hit stop loss here. I already took out nice profits down here. And this is what I would also do. Because this also helps me to just leave runners. Because yesterday I closed my trades too early. I should have just left the runner. Would have made much more profits instead of fully closing it. But yeah, I guess on this trade, if you fully closed here, you would have made more profits, at least for now. So it really depends. But for my strategy, most of the time leaving a runner is much better, because I miss out on so much profits just because I closed the trades too early. So this is why I changed how I manage my trades a little bit. Will you be live tomorrow? Yes, I will be. I might also be live on TikTok tomorrow before I go live on YouTube. So how many people on the giveaway? Let's have a look here. Let's have a peek. Are we above 30 people? What do you guys think? We are at 29 people. 29 people here in the giveaway. Make sure your name is here. Guys, make sure your name is actually here. And as I said, if you're not going to be watching, guys, while I choose this, we are going to redraw it. We are going to redraw the winner. And the way it works, you will get an Apex account with a code, so you'll get 100% off on any account. So you can use this code on the website to get any account. So you can choose the 150k Apex account, which actually costs around, I'm going to show you. Let me quickly show you this. Which account I would choose if we win the giveaway. I'm gonna go over the website quickly to show you this. Make sure I don't leak anything. I don't want to leak. Okay. Let me show you. So this is the Apex website, right? And if you win this giveaway, guys, you can choose any account. So this is the one I would get. If you scroll down here, I would get the end of day trail. This is one I use personally. TraderWeight. I use TraderWeight, and I would get the 150k account. This account is worth $799. Actually, right now it's only 50% off with a code, so it's worth like almost, I don't know, $350. Wait, almost $400. With my code, you get it for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. The only thing you have to pay is, if you pass it, you have to pay the activation fee, which is $150. And this is the account I would personally get with the code. So 150k, TraderWeight, end of day trail. End of day trail is much better than trailing drawdown. I mean an intraday trail. So yeah, if you win the giveaway, guys, I will get your code. You can just go to the Apex website, use the code, and you will get 100% off. And you can see proof in my Discord of people that got it. I'm gonna show you an example quickly as well. So under this section, you can see all the giveaway winners, or almost all of them. Wait, this is the wrong one. In my Discord, under this section, guys, this is CryptoBotter. He won one. Actually, there was another guy from the Discord that won this one, but he gifted it to CryptoBotter. And look at this. He actually used the code, and this is how it will look like if you use the code. You get 100% off, and he selected the 150k account like I told you as well. And he had to pay nothing, so you will get the account completely for free. The only thing you have to pay is the activation fee if you get the account. Yeah, so I quickly wanted to explain this as well for all the new people watching. So what is happening here? Are we still, like, these buyers are actually mad today? What's your trading strategy called? I use Orderflow combined with technical analysis. So this is actually a little bit strange. I've never seen someone trade like this. Like, most of the people, they only trade Orderflow or only technical analysis, but I combine Orderflow with technical analysis. So it is a little bit weird, I would say. Like, most of the people trade a little bit different, I would say, than me. Someone tell me, what is Norwin saying? What are we looking for, chat? Don't have audio, tell me in the chat, please. Norwin is probably at school or something. Someone tell me in the chat, guys. Someone actually tell me in the chat. I mean, I don't know. It's crazy how many buyers there are, guys. Like, they're not giving up as well. I mean, are we actually gonna go to the all-time high again today? I mean, this would be crazy. We are though at the value high, so maybe we're still gonna see a pullback. How does the mill work on Apex? Wait, the MML. You mean the drawdown? It's all explained. If you go... Wait, let me quickly show you this again. This is really important, guys. It's a little bit hidden on the website. So if you go to the website... Wait, let me show you this trick, because I was also confused the first time I looked at this. So if you go to the website, so this is how you need to read this. Here are all the rules, and this is throughout the challenge. And if you want to see the rules once you get funded, then you have to press this button here. So when you press this button, you will see the rules once you're funded, and the drawdown, everything. So yeah, it is a little bit hidden, and you have to press this to see it. So yeah, make sure to actually press that button. I don't know why they're hiding it like this. I need to tell them that probably, because it is really hidden. I was also confused about that. Man, what is this pump, guys? It's crazy. It is kind of crazy. So this bullish CVD was the exact low so far. The bullish CVD print we got down here was the low, and also the previous day VWAP and the previous week close. I mean, there was some strong support here. It doesn't really surprise me that we did go higher from that level. And also the order flow level that I also showed you before. Look at this. This was the order flow level I told you before, where I took some profits. 7407, and we went to 7400. So this was actually already a good long as well. Maybe some of you took a long here, I don't know. But yeah, I'm still holding my short though. Like, I'm just gonna hold this. I already locked in some gains, so. And yeah, if we, I don't know guys, if we go to the entry again, I'm probably not even gonna trade again anymore today. Like, I'm happy with the profit. If we pay out, does the MLR change? How do you, I don't understand that question. What do you mean of the drawdown changes? It's the same as in every prop firm. So you have a buffer, and depending on how many profits you're in plus, it will change. But the drawdown doesn't change, it's just end of day trailing drawdown. So it's similar to FundedNext, also to lucid trading. Google is your friend. Yeah, the best thing you can do is use ChatGPT. It explains it really well. Because it's always a little bit difficult to fully explain it. It depends on the account size and everything. But I can suggest you use ChatGPT to fully explain it. It will do a good job in explaining the rules. I might also do a video about this Sino. I'm actually gonna do a video on FundedNext about this, like the rules, how they actually work, how the buffer works after you're paid, what you have to look after. I will do a video about this. Because it takes a little bit of time to fully explain this. And I would have to also have FundedNext open with all the rules and everything too, so you will properly understand it. I'm gonna do a video on that, guys, because I know it can be a bit confusing, especially if there's a consistency rule. Then it gets much more confusing, which you have as well on Apex. Without consistency rule, it's actually it's really simple, but the consistency rule makes it a little bit more challenging to fully understand the rules. Watch crude. Watch crude. Guys, we are dumping a bit again. Nice to see the previous day very high did actually hold as resistance. So let's hope we're gonna go lower again and trap all the longs. That would be beautiful. Crude oil. What is oil doing? I mean, 1.1% up today. Oil is pumping. That's also why S&P dumped, I guess, a little bit. But it's not so correlated anymore. Like, oil is kind of weird. Sometimes oil is correlated with S&P 500. So if oil goes up, S&P goes down. But it's not always like that, so. Still bullish though, like still bullish. We held all the VWAPs. But this was a crazy short, by the way, guys. This was an absolute insane oil short that I took on my Forex accounts, but I don't stream Forex. Look at this monthly retest. We had a monthly level here. This was the monthly level and the weekly level I looked at. And look at how crazily respected this was. This was a crazy Forex trade, by the way. So we did pump up to this level, and here I entered the short swing trade with the stop loss above this weekly level. And we hit this level, and we saw a correction down to 80, from 115 down to 80. So this was an absolute beautiful oil short that I actually took as a swing trade, but I'm fully out of this. Like, I'm not gonna, this was more than enough profits in one trade, but it still looks bullish. Like, we are still making higher lows here, but I'm not sure if we're gonna actually go above this weekly level. This is a really strong resistance level on oil. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna go above this, but let's see. Let's see, actually. And I also was in a long from here that I even posted this long on my Discord, by the way. So wait, what is going on, guys, on ES? Let's trap some buyers. Yeah, I hope so. I mean, we have a lot of new buyers, guys. We have a lot of new buyers. So if we go lower now, we're gonna see a long squeeze. Oh, I like this, guys. I actually start to like this now again. Because look at this, we retested the very high again. I cannot pull it out because I have all my trades right here. Oh wait, now I can. Here you can see it, well almost. We almost retested this very high here again. And on the order flow, this is why I love order flow, guys. Look at the order flow. On the order flow, we retested the exact previous day very high. So this was at 7,430 and we hit this to the dollar. So I do hope that we're gonna trap all these longs now. That would be really nice for the short. But there's also a possibility that we're gonna go higher, of course, and get stopped out. Why do you not trade with micros? It will be helpful to book partials. I do trade with micros. I do trade with micros all the time. Let's do one giveaway. It's time. Alex wants to win the account. Why do you think it's time to do the giveaway now? Because I want to stream a bit longer actually. What do you think I should do now? Short or long? Or let it break even for today? I'm 150,000 loss. I would not trade right now. I mean, I would probably wait a little bit longer until like 5 to 6 p.m. See what the market does, because right now there's a possibility that we can go higher, but I also wouldn't short here. It's not the best level. Wait, I'm gonna look at some order flow levels for you. Yeah, we don't have an order flow level at all here. Higher, so there's no good short. The only one is right at our entry. So 7438 is exactly at our entry. Let's do it now. A lot of people want to do the giveaway now. You guys are getting really greedy with those giveaway accounts. You guys are getting the only one that's batched always. The only one is batched that prefers longer streams instead of giveaways. I guess we gotta stop the giveaways for a few days. See how many people are gonna watch the stream. No, I think there would be still some people. No, I'm probably gonna wait a bit with the giveaway, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do it before I go off. And maybe today we're gonna do a little bit of a longer stream. Norvin got his account now. He's in... yeah, Norvin won an account. And he actually passed the account, guys. I'm in a long now. Night Owl is in a long. You actually went into long here. I mean, it is possible that we go higher. I'm still gonna hold my short, guys. I'm still holding this. I'm not fumbling this bag right now. Because remember, yesterday the biggest move was at 7 p.m. Maybe it's gonna be the same today again. It's only 5 p.m. guys. At 6 to 7 p.m. we can still see a massive move like yesterday. The biggest move here, look at this. This was yesterday. We were in a long here. And I also had some people that told me to close it when I was in this long, guys, and look what happened. We went a little bit lower, yes, but we saw this correction was at 7 p.m, so in 2 hours from now. This massive move was from 7 p.m. until 10 p.m, so there can still be a lot of action. Like, there can still be a lot of action. Just because New York Open is done doesn't mean that we cannot see any movement. So I'm just gonna hold the trade. We can still go lower, we can actually still make a new low, it's fully possible. But we can also make a new high, yes, that is also the case. But that's why I took profits, now anything can happen. But I'm surely not gonna close the short, like I'm just gonna hold this short. There's no reason yet for me to close. Because if we go lower now, guys, I told you this before, if we put in a new low, so if we lose 7,400, we're probably gonna go much lower. And then the short is gonna pay off like crazy, even though it's only one contract. Let's just gamble. Nori wants to gamble. Nori, please don't gamble on your funded account now. I'm gonna be real mad at you if you gamble around. How long will you be live? I don't know. Usually I'm like live until 5 p.m. But now that everyone wants me to do the giveaway, I might stay live a little bit longer just to troll them and see if they stick around. Because like Vetch was telling me this yesterday, that I should actually sometimes stream a bit longer and do the giveaways later, so all the people that are only here for the giveaway are gonna be a little bit angry then and maybe leave the stream. It's actually a smart idea to always do the giveaway at different times. That was a really smart idea from Vetch. So I might do this. Marius, how are you doing, by the way? Did you also take the short, Marius, and the long from yesterday? I hope you did. One now. I only have one, Alex. That's the problem. If I would have one, if I would have two, I would do that. But I only have one today. Yesterday we were lucky. Yesterday we were actually lucky, and I was able to give out 3 accounts yesterday. So 350k accounts were given out yesterday. But today I have to stick to one, I think. Unless David has a good day again. I don't know. I guess David had a really good day yesterday. He randomly came to the stream. He's the guy from Apex and gave us 3 accounts. That was so funny. So yeah, right now he only gave me 1 code though. So I don't think that's gonna happen again. Stream until London session and make them wait. It would be. We have to do this one day though, guys. I have to do this one day. Like all the people that are only here for the giveaways, we gotta troll them a bit. Longer stream means more YouTube money, more giveaways, guys. True, it's actually true. The batch is not wrong. Because the more I stream, guys, the more viewers I will get. It's better for the algorithm, the more my stream will grow. And the more my stream grows, the more giveaways we can do. So to all the people that are impatient, it's actually true. Batch is spitting facts. It is actually true what he just said. So longer streams are really good for the algorithm, guys. I think many times I was at 40 like 2 days ago I reached 41 live viewers, guys. And I ended the stream. It was really dumb actually. If I streamed like 1 more hour, I would probably reach like 60 to 70 viewers more. So I would have probably reached 60 to 70 live viewers if I just kept streaming. And the thing is, if I do the giveaway now, guys, all the people are gonna leave and it's gonna decrease my ranking. If I would have more accounts, I would give out 1 like throughout the stream and 1 at the end. But if I give out this one right now, some viewers will drop off and it will be bad for the algorithm. 24-hour stream. The layout looks so much better. Yeah, the other layout was nicely designed by Night Owl. It was really nicely designed, but the main thing I didn't like, the cam was too small and the charts were too small. Like, yeah, it was not good for the charts because they were so small. But the layout was really nice. But this one I made with ChatGPT. This is actually one I made with ChatGPT, and I'm kind of surprised how good it is. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's just crazy. It's kind of sad though that ChatGPT can do stuff like this. Like all the designers that are really skilled, like you can just use ChatGPT and make something kind of good. But I don't think it will ever replace like designers and stuff, people that do it manually. Like this was a really simple task to do an overlay. It's not like a complicated task, you know what I mean? Alright guys, we are consolidating at the previous day very high. We have been here for now actually 20 minutes. 20 minutes fighting against this resistance. So it will depend what's gonna happen here. Actually, if we go above this, we might actually get stopped out on the last contract, which is fine though. I don't care if this happens, we would still be in profit. But I'm gonna hold this. I'm just gonna hold this because I think the CVD here, there is a big potential that we can see a massive long squeeze if we actually go lower from here. And this is why I'm just deciding to hold this. So if we actually go lower here, we will all these longs. So you can see all the longs in here. On the left side, guys, you can see the buyers. These are all market buyers. And on the right side, you can see the on the left side there are the market sellers, and on the right side there are the market buyers, right? And here you can see the delta. So and the CVD tells you how many new longs were opened here. So you can see if I zoom out here, the CVD went up a lot, like a ton. So if we put in a new high, these are all gonna get squeezed out. So we will see a big long squeeze. And then we can actually go to my long entry maybe even. So I'm just risking this. Yes, we can go higher. I'm not saying we cannot go higher, guys. Trading is all about probabilities. But if we go lower, we would see probably a big short squeeze. I mean a big long squeeze, not a short squeeze. So I have food without waiting for my wife to come. Chat is next again, good. Funded future family is great. Try multiple films. Yeah, I need to get more partnerships with firms. But as I said, I need more viewers for that, guys. My stream is not that big. Like once we get to like 100 average viewers, it will be much easier to get giveaway accounts. It will be much easier. Remember guys, there are streamers that get 1k average viewers on every stream. Like if I would have like 1k average viewers on every stream, we could give out like 10 accounts every day. I'm not gonna lie. We could actually give out 10 accounts every day. So yeah, this is the goal. This is obviously my goal guys, but we need to grow for that. And this is why I need to stream a lot. Because the algorithm pushes the people that always stream and are consistent on YouTube. You need to be really consistent, stream as much as you can. And get good numbers, but my numbers are good already. I have a long watch time. I have consistent viewers. So I don't know. I hope the algorithm is gonna push me more soon. I hope it's gonna happen. How long are we staying up here, guys? Like, how long are we staying up here? Sato is greedy. No, it would be just really cool. I like it to do giveaways, guys. I like to do them, but I cannot get more accounts than what I get right now. For that, I need more viewers. It's as simple as that. Because that's what all the people, what all the firms are looking at. Gotta go a bit early today. Have a nice stream. See you, Dank Dolphin. Thank you for watching. With 10 accounts as a giveaway, I would for sure get at least 3 and could be financially free. Yeah, for sure. The more accounts we have, the higher chance you have in winning. That is just facts. We need midnight sessions where all the big YouTubers are offline. You can grab much more viewers. Are you really sure about that? I'm not sure if people watch the stream at midnight. I don't think I would have more viewers. But we can try it. I guess we can try it. Ah, we're still going. Like the buyers are still not stopping. What is going on? Someone's calling me. Wait. Just sad that... How did this happen, Alex, by the way? How exactly did that happen? It's just sad that the Apex closed the account after 6 payouts. Oh, you mean that? Yeah, I know. This is annoying. I also agree. I hope they're gonna change that. I actually hope they're gonna change it. Warhead, welcome back. Welcome back. I hope they're gonna change it as well, Alex. I don't really like that rule. Like, I think it's the best if you can never lose the account. Because it's really annoying if you get an account funded, you're working hard and getting payouts, and after 6 payouts you lose the account and you have to redo the whole challenge. Yeah, but I guess they did this because like there were some issues with payouts. So yeah, I think that's the reason why they did this, so they can always do all the payouts immediately with this rule. It's probably easier to manage their money like this. Man, I cannot believe how many buyers here are, guys. There are so many buyers, they're not giving up at all. And this bullish CVD again, it was actually crazy. Like, sometimes these bullish CVDs are so accurate. Like here again. So accurate, it's insane. Yeah, I don't know. Are we actually gonna reclaim the daily VWAP? This is crazy. I mean, we're getting really close to break even on the last contract here. Kind of crazy. And we were actually at 2R. We actually hit 2R on the short, guys. Yeah, they're not giving up. Like, it is insane. Like, the only way we can get a long squeeze is if we actually see a pullback here from the daily VWAP now. Because my stop loss is right here, guys. I put it a little bit higher than the daily VWAP, just in case we go up here and then see a big correction. And then I would get stopped out. So I did put it a little bit higher, as you can see on top. So yeah, we will see, guys. We will see. So how many people on the giveaway? Are there any book future firms? What do you mean by that, Les? Book future firms? I've never heard that. What do you mean by that? We support you. It's going to soon 10k viewers from all over the world. I don't think 10k is possible. I mean, I saw some streams with 4 to 5k, but It is really hard to get there. Like, I would be more than happy with even like 100 average viewers would be already really good. But 1k, that would be insane if you get to 1k. That would be actually crazy. Your stop loss is my short entry. Alex. That is not nice, man. That is not nice, Alex. So you are using me as liquidity. You are actually using me as liquidity right here. A-book, oh, okay. Now I got it. Oh, A-book you meant. I didn't read that properly. I'm not sure about that. Not simulated funds. Les, I'm not sure about that. Good question. Maybe someone in the chat knows. I mean, I know that some prop firms, if you're really talented, they will upgrade your account to a live account. But why are you looking for this, Les? What's the reason that you want to get... that you're looking for that? I'm mostly short where others most likely set their stop loss. Yeah, it is, yeah. I mean, I could place this higher, but on the other hand, I don't really want to lose out on profits in case we actually go higher. 1k is best, it will take 2 months to reach 10k. Yeah, 1k, with 1k viewers I'm more than happy, guys. I'm more than happy, like I don't need more than that. Even 100 would be nice, reaching 100 average viewers one day. There is a Nasdaq trader, he doesn't show his face, he only trades, he's scalp trading, he gets 1k, 1k to 1,500 live viewers on every single stream, guys. This is what happens when you're in the algorithm. Because then if someone searches live trading Nasdaq or live trading ES, he will be on top. And that's how they get so many viewers. That's actually how it's... I will also share this with my friends on Twitter for new beginners. Yeah, this always supports the stream, guys, and helps the stream. If you share it with your friends, this is good for the algorithm. Come on, please. We need to go below this previous day very high again. Cool anchor. Yeah, that is cool. Guys, we're gonna do the giveaway though, don't worry, we are gonna do that giveaway. But right now we just wanna stream a bit. I wanna stream a bit longer. Like if we get stopped out on this trade, we are gonna do the giveaway. But as long as we are in this trade, I wanna stream a bit longer. Kannst du mal erklären, wie der Orderflow-Chart funktioniert? Ich mach mal ein Video über das, Kaito. Someone asked if I can explain how the Orderflow chart functions, how I actually look at it. I might do a video about this soon, but I often explain it on stream a bit as well. I did explain it like 10 minutes ago, a little bit. Now let's go down patched. I really hope, man, I do hope we're gonna go lower. Because if we go lower now, we are actually gonna see a big dump, I think. And we are still not above the very high, so this is good. Don't say like that. Don't say what, Bodyman. Hyper PNL is a book, and there is instant payout like you are trading your own personal account, only for rules. An easier, clear way to trade. I want a future film like that. What are the rules there, Les? How are the rules different than on FundedNext, for example? Funktioniert das auch? Ja, das ist sehr gut für zum Scalp Traden. Orderflow, guys, is one of the best tools for scalp trading. Like, honestly, some of these levels, for example, look at this level here. This level right here, if you went into a long at this level, you could have put the stop loss 3 points below this level. And this would have been like a 10-hour trade. You know what I mean? As a scalp trade. I do have to actually start scalp trading and on a new account and try it out. I think scalp trading with Orderflow is like one of the most powerful ways to scalp trade. Because these levels are so respected. It's much better in my opinion than scalp trading on Forex, like gold Forex scalp trading and stuff like this. Because Orderflow is just, it is regulated and it's really respected. So yeah, for scalp trading and low time frame, this is actually really good. I mean, you can Alex, well, he's not in here anymore. I think Alex is gone, but he also scalp trades. Second last chance for Dumb. Yeah, it looks like it, man. It's crazy. Oh, I guess we should have closed this. We should have, yeah, I don't know. I mean, no, we shouldn't have done it because yesterday I also closed it and then went the other way. But yeah, it would have been nice to actually get some more profits out, I guess. But yeah, I'm still happy. I'm happy with the gains. Don't you put your stoppers to break even, bro? Not on this trade. The reason why, because this, the 7438 is my entry and it's right at the daily VWAP. And maybe we're gonna go to the daily VWAP and then drop again, and then I would get stopped out. But it is slightly above the entry. So it is slightly above the entry. You can see it here. So this is my stop loss right now. This is my original stop loss, this is stop loss now. I actually updated it right now. Oh wait, Alex is still here. But Alex is scalp trading a lot, guys. He's actually only scalp trading, this guy. If you say that if this trade takes stop loss, I will do a giveaway. All people want a giveaway because of that. All people want you to lose. Ich bin davon ausgegangen, dass noch nach oben ausbricht. Yeah, I mean, we had some levels. Like, this was a technical level that we can go higher. And we also had bullish CVD prints. So yeah, it is not random, the move to the upside. But I don't know. I kind of wanted to hold this, guys. Like, there was also a high chance that we can go much lower. And we had a good entry, so there's no reason to fully close it here. Even though it would have been good, yeah. Yes, but it's a news flip. See, it is also news-based. So you can never predict news, guys. I just trade the chart, so... We will see, though. We will see. We are still in the trade, but I don't know. Maybe we're gonna get stopped out soon. Rules are 5% daily drawdown. 9% max. 9% max free. I was laughing about this Alex comment. Rules are 5% daily drawdown, 9% max free, profitable days, and 30 days to pass one phase. Wow, okay, the daily drawdown sounds cool though. Wait, let me see how... 9%, that's a lot. Wow, that's almost 5k. But how expensive are these accounts? Aren't they like really expensive? The last 5 days were long. I'm still really bullish, guys. Like, there's no reason to be bearish. But I do trade, sometimes if we get trades like this, I like to trade the day trades short, but I'm still bullish on ES. Still really bullish. Night Owl is in a 1.3 or long. Congrats to this guy, man. Congratulate him in the chat, guys. What did Alex write? But I move my stop loss too fast and get out of the trade many times. I do every third trade a long range, and this is where I get my losses. Yeah, the thing about scalp trading is it is more risky, especially for beginners. It is more risky. Why? Because you will do a lot more trades. That means if you lose many, like let's say you lose 2 or 3 trades and you get tilted, there's a high chance you can blow your account. And with my strategy, I don't take as many trades, so it is emotionally much easier to trade. I'm not saying scalp trading is bad, but I'm saying especially if you have issues with risk management, with over trading, with revenge trading, scalp trading can be really, really hard to learn. This is why I always tell most of the new people, don't start with scalp trading. But if you are a profitable trader and you know how to control your emotions and everything and your risk management, scalp trading obviously is profitable. But I would say it is more risky, especially for beginners. Yeah. But yeah, my bias is still bullish, guys, even though we had a really nice short here. But yeah, maybe we're gonna see what's happening now, guys. We're at the daily VWAP. For our short to play out, we need to not go above this level. And we're gonna, if you get stopped out, guys, we're gonna stop the stream and do the giveaway. We're gonna do the giveaway, or maybe not stop the stream, but we're gonna do the giveaway. But I'm probably gonna take a break. I've streamed so long today. I was 1 hour online on, no, I was 40 minutes on TikTok. And now we're almost 2 hours live on YouTube here. I'm all dead and profitable, still lack capital. You need to get funded accounts then, Samson. If you're actually profitable and that is your only thing, buy funded accounts. Like, they are not expensive, guys. A 50k futures accounts costs $100. Like, if you are profitable, you can easily make more than $100 out of a 50k account, easily. Your footprint chart platform, it's called ExoCharts, my friend. It is called ExoCharts. 100 minutes now. Yeah, I've been live for a long time, guys. Where are you from? From Switzerland. I live close to Lucerne, middle of Switzerland, basically right in the middle of Switzerland. When is the giveaway? Guys, don't get greedy. We will do the giveaway, don't worry. I always do my giveaways. If I say there's a giveaway, I will do it. There's no fixed time. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. We will do it whenever I'm ready, whenever the trade is done. I mostly do it before I end my stream, but maybe I'm gonna stream a bit longer today. We will see. Alright, we retested the daily VWAP, guys. Can we stay below it, or are we gonna get stopped out? Are we gonna get stopped out? People are getting really greedy for the giveaways. It is nice to see, though, that there are people that... I mean, I understand it. It's something really cool that you can win. And now, especially now, guys, like Apex, there are no more 90% discount codes on Apex. Like, now the giveaways are even worth a lot more. Like, the account you can get now would cost $400. So I'm actually giving out $400 right now with one giveaway. Eigentlich ist Trading das langweiligste, was es geht. Yeah, trading is actually really boring, guys. But most of the influencers, they're screaming around, and they're probably, most of them are not profitable, but a lot of influencers are really emotional and screaming around, but that's not how it is. It is actually really boring. You just wait for your levels, you trade your levels, and then you have to be patient and not be emotional. So it is really boring. But it is, I love it, guys. I love this. I'm kind of addicted. I've been addicted to this for like 5 years already, so. Telling you it's a life-changing capital here. Yeah, and now, guys, the Apex accounts are only 50% off. So these are worth $400 now. The 150k is... Yesterday we had 3 winners, lads. We actually gave away 3 accounts. One was Dank Dolphin. He gave it to CryptoBotter. He already gave... Yeah, Dank Dolphin already won twice, and he gave both accounts to CryptoBotter. And who else was? There was a new guy who joined the stream yesterday and won. Wait, let me check. Let me check the name. Oh, I forgot the name. It is on Discord though. And who was the other guy? Let me see. Wait, didn't I post it? I posted it on my X actually. I did post it on my X. Let me see that quickly. Who won? Who won? Good question. So Satish, he's actually a new viewer, and Sharik as well. But there were 2 OGs that won. 2 OGs that won. Penitence won, yes, Penitence, Dank Dolphin, and 1 new guy that watched my stream for the first time. Alright, we are going a bit lower again. Someone went on a Solana short, and right now 50% in profit. Sehr nice. Gratuliere dem Pilgrim. Tradest du viel Crypto, Dampfer? So we have some crypto trades. We have to do some crypto trading streams, guys. I'm probably gonna do some streams as well on TikTok and also on YouTube trading crypto. For all the crypto lovers. But congrats to Pilgrim. He took so I'm gonna translate it. He wrote in Swiss German. He took a nice Solana short, guys, and he's right now 50% in plus. So that is nice. Crypto probably dumped a lot. Let me quickly check Bitcoin here. Wow, okay, crypto dumped like crazy. It's below 80k now. Crazy. Really weak, like Ethereum and Bitcoin is really weak right now. Penitence is even here in the chat. I didn't know. He won yesterday an account. Man, crypto is so weak. The fact that actually that S&P actually went up again and just Bitcoin just dumped. Like, look at this, guys. This is the Bitcoin chart. I'm actually at break even almost on the long. I guess I should have fully closed it here. Crazy. It is so weak. I also didn't expect this because the new Fed chair, it's actually kind of bullish. I was thinking it could be bullish for Bitcoin because you have a new Fed chair, so I don't know. That is a little bit weird. If you win second time today, me and Alex are here. I'm not lucky. There will be, guys, you are gonna win, don't worry. I think most of you are gonna win some of the accounts. You have some new anti for Sui or some other crypto. I'm gonna have to check right now, actually. I need to check that after. We'll see new all-time high today. Friday pumps many times, I don't know why. Paradise Hunter, welcome to the stream. I've never seen you here, by the way. Guys, for all the new viewers, we are gonna do a big giveaway soon. Big Apex giveaway. So stay tuned. So far, decent reaction, but I don't know. We need to go lower. We need to lose this level now again. Missed the stream. Oh no, you actually missed the stream where he did so many giveaways. That is unlucky. Yeah, I don't know. David joined, the guy from Apex joined my stream yesterday and he randomly gave us 3 accounts to give away. I guess he was in a really good mood yesterday, I don't know. He did join the stream and then he was like, okay, I'm gonna give you 3 accounts. And I was like, what? I mean, I don't mind giving out more accounts. I think this is your longest trade. Yeah, it is crazy. It is crazy, actually. I'm just holding the bag. I mean, if we go lower now, I would be really happy, guys. Are we gonna actually lose the previous day very high? Come on, that would be nice. If Thatcher lowers interest rate, yeah, this is... Man, my friend is calling me again. I don't know what he has. Wait, I quickly have to text my friend. I'm texting my friends, 1 second, guys. Alright. I think it's time to exit long. Yeah, but life is broker. This is what I also thought, because the thing is, if the interest rates get lowered, that would be really bullish for altcoins and also for crypto in general. So I did expect some positive reaction. But I don't know, it didn't happen. What is the difference between micro? This is the thing. So the simple difference between micro and mini futures is I would always use micro futures, especially on funded accounts, because you can risk less. So basically mini are just bigger contracts. Micro are the smallest contracts you can open. This is why I only trade micro contracts. Let me see what he wrote to me. I hope it's nothing important. So yeah, this is how it works. So I always I suggest all of you use micro contracts, because then your stop loss, you can have the lowest risk for every trade. Mini is just bigger positions, so yeah. Come on, guys, can we do it, Batched? Can we do it? And Trump kind of ruined the short here with his news again. I think without this news from him, we would be much lower already, but... It's always the same, like the impact from these news he always posts, it's just crazy. I don't like this, guys, like all the time news coming out, it's so annoying to trade. It's really annoying, actually. But we are managing well, so it is fine. Sometimes it can also be good, though. Sometimes actually it can also pay off like big if there are news coming out and it's going into your direction. This is like, can be also really nice. Are we gonna lose this, guys? Are we actually gonna lose this level or reclaim the daily VWAP? So if we reclaim the daily VWAP, we are gonna get stopped out. And as long as we stay below here and lose this very high here, then we can maybe go lower still. Maybe we're gonna see some big reaction at 6 to 7 PM again, which is in 2 hours. that would be interesting, guys. We are at 41 viewers, 40 viewers, guys. So this is good for the algorithm that I'm streaming a bit longer today. And for all the people in here, we are soon doing a big Apex giveaway. We are soon doing a very big Apex giveaway. I'm gonna show it to you again. You can win any Apex account for free. And this is how you join it. Wait, we have 37 people in the giveaway now. You have to type this. I might do a new keyword, guys, before we draw the winners. Just to get rid of all the bots and all the people that are not watching anymore. But I probably will do a new keyword before we do this giveaway. And yeah, then you have a chance of winning an account, guys. 150k account. These are worth $400 right now. And these are all the people in the giveaway. So yeah, we will do it soon. Don't worry, guys. I did not forget about this giveaway. We will do it soon. Oh, what is happening here? Are we gonna get stopped out? We have to pay after we win. No, you only have to pay once you get funded. You're still saving a lot of money. You know what I mean? Because usually you have to pay for the account. You have to pay the activation fee. That is true, but still, you still save money with the giveaway instead of buying it yourself. Wait 5 minutes, I go smoke. Das heißt Micro and not Mini. They're the same from the chart. Yeah, they're actually almost the same from the chart. The only thing is you have less risk. Yeah, that is true. See, no, that is absolutely true. When will the giveaway happen? As soon as the trade is done. I also need to go eat something soon. I'm not going to be live too much longer, guys. Lucid, guys, I want to get partnered with Lucid. They don't want to partner with me. They don't accept new partnerships. I would love to be partnered with Lucid. Go into their Discord, guys. Spam that Sato wants to partner with them. Maybe that helps. So if you want me to get Lucid accounts to give away, you can do that. Maybe it's actually going to help. Go into their Discord, say, Sato, this YouTube streamer wants to go get a partnership. Could you please accept him into the partner program? If like 30 people do this on stream, it's probably gonna work actually. Like if every one of you goes into the Discord and writes that or text them on Twitter. I mean, I would love to get into a partnership with them. I also use them, guys. Lilish Borker will be back in 15 minutes. Man, I need to eat something. I'm starving. I'm actually starving right now. I might grab some food right now, quickly. Top 1 futures. Guys, I'm gonna be like AFK for 5 minutes, if that is fine with you. I might get stopped out here while I'm AFK. I'm quickly gonna I wanna see if I have some food to quickly eat here. Or should I just wait and I eat after I'm done with the stream? I don't know. What about IQ? Alex, IQ is nice and I'm already in there, but I don't know. The thing I don't like about IQ is that I don't accept that I don't have trader weight support, and I need trader weight. And please do a partnership with my funded futures. Yeah, would be nice. I need to reach out. Will you be live again after eating? Maybe in TikTok, probably not on YouTube. I might do a TikTok stream though. How can I join the giveaway? Really simple, my friend. Really simple. We will do it soon. You have to keep watching. We will refresh the list here. There are 38 people in the giveaway now, but I will clear all these people and do a new keyword before we choose them. And you will have to type the keyword, watch the stream, and then claim it. You have 30 seconds to claim. When I do this, if you don't claim it within 30 seconds, we will choose another winner. So you will lose it. It's really simple, guys. I do this always the same way. I mean, I wouldn't mind if you get stopped out. Then I can do the giveaway and we can, yeah, I can go eat. But it's, I don't know, we're still fighting against this level here. We are gonna do it soon, guys. The Apex giveaway, big 150k account. I already have the code, so if you win, you will get the account immediately. Make sure you join my Discord, guys. I'm gonna post this right now, especially if you win the account. So there are 2 things you should do. I'm gonna post the link to my Discord. Join this Discord right now. Type something in there, that would be good as well. Wait, where is it? So join the giveaway, guys. Yeah, I didn't eat anything, man. I did actually not eat anything. I'm starving. I only had a smoothie in the morning. Like a smoothie with protein and milk, oats and berries and a banana. That's it. I didn't eat anything, man. And it's already 5 p.m. I don't know what I'm doing today, guys. So join the Discord, guys, already. And follow me on X. Follow me also on X. I'm gonna check your Discord account and your X account if you win. So you need to be in the Discord anyways. So everyone that wants to win, join the Discord. Follow me on X as well. This is my X. I'm gonna actually post the link as well. And also repost the last tweet. This is my X here, guys. Repost the last tweet as well. And that's it. And then we're gonna choose the winner. We might get stopped out here soon. Man, what is this pump again? An absurd pump again. And the CVD bullish CD was the exact low actually. These CVD prints. The last one at least was the best one. Man, it is such a boring market right now. We are also moving really slow. So there are new people typing for the giveaway. We are gonna do it very soon, guys. I think I might get stopped out here on the last contract anytime. It does look a bit like it at least. Oh, this would have been so nice if you would have lost this level here. It would have been a crazy short, guys. If you join my Discord already, you don't have to do anything. And if you follow me on X, you don't have to do anything then. I'm just saying this for the new people in the stream, you know, that have never watched the stream before. What a boring market right now. So Alex is looking for a short up here. That is funny. Right at our stop loss. Kinda getting tired as well, I'm not gonna lie. Kinda getting tired slowly. I mean, we could also do the giveaway and I'd just end the stream, guys, and let the trade run. That would, maybe we can go live later if it plays out. I think we're gonna do it like this because I'm really hungry, guys. I wanted to eat something. Let's do it like this. Is everyone here though? Is everyone here for the giveaway? Some people said I'd take a break. I hope they are here. I'm gonna do a new keyword, guys. I'm gonna do a new keyword. Sato is exit liquidity for Alex. I would also be a bit careful with shorts again. I mean, we took the best short. Alright, we are gonna host this giveaway right now, guys. It is time. It is time to do it. We are gonna spin the wheel. This is the only time I can gamble, guys, is with the giveaways. The only time it feels like gambling a bit. Alright, I'm gonna load this here so everyone can see it. I'm gonna clear the participants to make sure only active people are in here. So we are gonna clear the list. I always do this, guys. Well, most of the time at least. The new keyword will be Apex 150. Apex 150. Apex 150, guys. Type this in the chat right now to enter. I'm gonna give you like 2 to 3 minutes. Apex 150 is the keyword. Apex 150, like this, guys. You can see it on the stream. This thing that I've highlighted here. This is what you need to type. Type. Yeah, okay, you got it. Good. Everyone type this, guys. There are a lot of people joining for this big giveaway here. Wow, what is going on? 30 people already in. The chat is going wild. Chat is going absolutely wild. 18 people in. Make sure all the people are in. Alex, are you in? Yes, Alex is in. Alright. I'm gonna give it a bit more time here because we have some delay. Where are the members? Where are the members? They are not watching anymore, I guess. Would have been nice to have them in here as well. Oh, there is one. Good. There, Pilgrims is still in. Good, good, good. See, I need to give it some time because there is a delay, guys. Volley is also in. Nice. Volley is also in the giveaway. I like to give it a bit more time, guys, because I don't want people to miss out as well. I think that is Night Owl still. There's still people coming in. Crazy. Holy. Les also got in. Night Owl, are you in? Yes, you're in. Good. Encore fantasy cricket skills. Alright, I think I'm gonna do it now. We're gonna do it now, guys. Boom. I press the button. I press the button. Is it gonna be an OG? Is it gonna be a new person? Oh, Volley. No. Bodyman? No, Peach user. It cannot be you again. No, no, no. Peach user, this can't be possible, man. This can't be possible, Peach user. I mean, we have... Now, Peach user, I think we have to give it to someone else. Like, you won 2 already. In the last, I don't know, she only won 2 accounts. Like this... I'm gonna ask you though, Peach, is it, do you want to give it to someone first? Let me ask you this. Do you want to give it to someone else? Because you already won like 2 accounts with the giveaway. Is she gonna claim it? I mean, it's impossible. How does she win 3 times already? It's actually a her, it's not a he. She didn't claim it though. Peach is I'm not sure what you should do here actually, because you won twice already. Like, it is crazy. She won a HyroTrader account. She won a FundedNext account already. Give it to Alex, Peach user. But let me first ask her what she would like to do. Let me first see what she would like to do. Wait, when did she last win? I need to check this quickly. Like, this is actually crazy. How does she manage to win that much? Like, what is going on? Give it to someone. She said she needs it. Let me see when you won the last one, because it's actually crazy. Like, this is... I don't know how you do this. Like, it is actually crazy. I will quickly check the chat log here on Discord. I mean, this is crazy. How does she win that much? But like, how is this possible? How is this even possible? So she won the last account, guys. She won a HyroTrader account before. She won a FundedNext account on March. She won a HyroTrader account on April. Like, what is going on? She won a HyroTrader account on April and a FundedNext account on the March. And now she's winning again on May. Like, this is crazy. Like, I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she does it. Like, she always watches the stream though as well. Or give it to Batched. No, I'm gonna let her choose now. I'm gonna let her choose because in the end she won, guys. It is what it is. She won 1 month ago. And yeah, she's just lucky as heck. Like, it is crazy. She should go gambling. Like, she should actually go gambling. I'm gonna let her choose. She can take it for herself. She can give it to someone else. To Alex, to whoever she wants. I'm gonna let her choose now. This is her decision, guys. Congrats to Peach user. She's so lucky. I don't know. She has good karma, guys. She has absolutely good karma, I guess. She won 3 times already in 2 months. Like, this is absolutely crazy. So let's wait for her answer. Peach user, do you want it? Do you want to give it to someone else that hasn't won? It is your choice. It is your choice. I don't mind what you do. You can fully choose yourself. But this is actually crazy because I keep joking about it, but she always wins. Well, not always, but she won like 2 times already. You need to make a rule. I mean, she has never won an Apex account, guys. She has won a FundedNext account, she has won a HyroTrader account, and now she's winning an Apex account. Like, I don't know. She is insanely lucky. I think she's just really good karma or luck. I don't know. So I'm gonna let her choose, guys. What do you want to do, Peach user? Do you want to give it to someone? Do you want to take it for yourself? It is up to you. I don't want to decide this. So I'm gonna let you choose. I don't want to do the decision, actually. You can choose yourself. You can take it, you can give it to someone. Yeah, it's your choice. So let me know your final decision, Peach user. I'm waiting for your message. That is crazy though. Like, I keep joking about her. I joked like 3 weeks ago, is Peach user gonna win again? And now here she is. Give it to Batched. Are you sure, Peached user? Do you not want to take it yourself? Because I don't want to force you to give it to someone else. Like, as I said, Peached user, it is your choice. It is your choice. You can also take it for yourself. I don't care. I have the code. You can take it for yourself. So give me your final decision, please. Just so I know. Give me your final decision. So you want to give it to Batched, right? Do you want to give it to Batched? Because I really don't care, honestly, guys. If, like, I don't mind if she wins multiple times. She's just lucky. It is what it is. Peach user, I'm gonna give it to Batched, or do you want to take it yourself? I need to know. Peach user, do you want to take it or give it to Batched or whatever, or to someone else? Yeah, I'm sure. All right. Congrats to Batched. Congrats to Batched. I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna give it to him. He's a real good guy. Yeah, I guess he's also always on the stream. That is cool. I'm gonna give it to Batched as you requested. I mean, Peach user, you're probably gonna win again. Like, with your luck, you're gonna win again anyway, so... I would not yeah, you're probably gonna win again. Like, this is crazy. She won 2 times before, guys. Now it's the 3rd time in 2 months. Like, but you gotta... Guys, this is the thing. This is one thing that I keep saying. She joins every stream and she joins every giveaway. This is also why she won a lot. It's not just luck. It's because she actually is always here. This is why I always tell you, if you watch every stream, obviously your win rate is gonna be higher. If you join every giveaway, you will win more giveaways. So I'm gonna give it to Batch. Thank you, Peach, for giving it to someone else, but I'm sure you're gonna win again, and you could have even taken it. I don't care if you take. I was just joking around. I don't want to force you to give it to someone else. Like, it is up to you. Congrats to Batch. Thank you for giving it to someone else. W to Peached in the chat here. I am gonna go offline now, guys. I'm gonna eat something. I'm starving. We will do another one tomorrow. We're gonna do a FundedNext giveaway tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we are gonna do a FundedNext giveaway and maybe also an Apex giveaway. We're gonna probably do 2 tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe. Make sure to join the Discord. And Batched, I'm gonna send you the code right now. I'm gonna send the code right now on Discord. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. I might be live again. Also, I'm gonna be live tomorrow. I might be live on TikTok as well. But it's gonna be a stream. Alright, guys. Thank you, Peach, and have a nice evening.